Skylar's second time eating some regular food. Look at that. What's that face? Yeah. Hi. Oh, we slipped that one in there. Her face. You eating some grass? Yeah, you eating some grass? Yes, you are. Hi. Hi, you sucking your lips. Let's see that. Let's see you suck your lips again. Yeah. Look at you. It goes all over the place. Hi, Mama. You getting your grub on? Yes, looking so good. What are we eating today? What are we eating today? I can't see that. First peas? Still can't read it. It's still some good stuff. Good stuff. You're eating some peas. That's the best one. Yes. Look at that fat belly. Yeah, fat belly. Go. You're grabbing. Look at you. You're the big girl, huh? You 4 months old and you grabbing? See, I gotta get all that junk off my face. You're giving Mama the pee bath? Huh? You spraying it all over? Yeah. Go. Sit. A good girl. You listen well. Sometimes. Skylar! What was that?
She's gagging on it.
Good. Look at them arms and legs go. She kills me with her little legs.
I don't think she likes this one.
That's okay. She's just getting used to it. Something different than her milk. Hi, Mama. Yeah, it's something different. It's good for you.
Not for you. Not for you.
Hi. You grabbing? Dad, say hi, Foxy.
No.
Good girl, Foxy. Sit. She's put it all to the side now.
What?
She's put some on the side of her mouth. From her looking that way. She's vaccinated on Foxy right now.
Focus up here.
Back up. You just want to eat, Felicity. You don't even want to play. You're trying to get as much grub as you can, you little greedy thing. Ah, say hi, Felicity. Greedy, greedy.
You can't see that by our eyes.
Oh, no.
You good, Mama?
Sit.
You want some more?
Sit. Felicity, sit. That's a good girl. See? Everyone sit. Yeah! Foxy, you messing up the filming here? Yeah, you're making me go all over the place. So Foxy, sit, because you're not getting that. Sit. You grabbing? You a big girl. Down. If you guys don't stop, I'm going to make you go away. No. Those are the faces we look for. Those are the faces, little mama. Have you even recorded her holding her bottle and holding her boba?
Holding her bottle.
She's eating. You know? What was that? That looked like you were throwing the ball.
Clean.
Yeah, you look like you were throwing the basketball. You little gorgeous thing, you. That's what you think about it? Huh? Her face.
Like, why are you eating me?
Look at that fat belly. Mm. She's just got her legs and arms moving all over. What you got going on in here? Hi, Skylar. Look at that face you making. Yeah. She's like, okay, you messed up my smile. Get your fingers out of your mouth. Get your fingers out of your mouth.
Yeah, she ate most of it.
She did good. What are you doing, little mama? Did it go down and you didn't realize it went down your throat? Huh? Bless you. Bless you, little mama. Yeah. Yes. He did chewy. All right. It's already coming out the other way. Her face is all serious. She's gonna taste. Did you have to think about that one? Is that why you got your finger out? Yeah. Yeah. He's so beautiful. He's so beautiful, Mama. Hmm?
So she's eating that.
Mhm.
So it comes out.
Yeah. It's always gonna come out like when they first, because she's still learning how to eat. Dad, I'm learning. It's the same thing when I was breastfeeding. I'm learning. Of course. Hey, what was that? Oh, right. Good. Come on. Skylar, you grabbing, Mama? You grabbing, Skylar? Okay. Okay. Got it coming out of her mouth already.